Chennakesava Temple or God Vishnu Temple, Belur, Karnataka side, South India. Part 6. The Chennakesava Temple or Kesava or Vijayanarayana Temple of Belur is a 12th century Hindu temple in the Hassan district of Karnataka state, India. It was commissioned by King Krishnavardhana in the 1117 CE on the banks of the Yagchi river in Belur. The temple took 103 years to finish. The Hoysala dynasty worked the temple for 3 decades. The deity is Chennakesava or God Vishnu. It is 35 km from Hassan city and about 200 km from Bengaluru, Karnataka state. The temple is remarkable for its architecture, sculptures, reliefs, friezes, as well as its iconography, inscriptions, and history. The temple opens at 7:30 am to 7:30 pm. The temple artwork depicts scenes of secular life in the 12th century, dancers, musicians, as well as pictorial narration of Hindu texts such as Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and the Puranas through numerous friezes. It is a Vaishnava temple that devotionally includes many themes from Shaivism, Shaktism, Jainism, and Buddhism. The Belur temple complex, along with the nearby Hindu and Jain temples at Halabedu, have been proposed to be listed under UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The Chennakesava temple is located in Belur Taluk in Hassan district of Karnataka state. The temple is about 16 km from Halabedu temple. Halabedu temple also is a beautiful sculpture, stone sculpture temple with wonderful works there. The nearest airport is Bengaluru, 220 km away from Belur. The nearest railway station is Hassan. It is 40 km away from Belur. There are a number of regular KSRTC buses that connect Belur to Bangalore. It is of 221 km from Belur. The temple complex consists with several Hindu temples and minor shrines inside a walled compound. The compound is entered from the east Gopuram. The temples and monuments found inside the walled complex are first Chennakesava temple or God Vishnu temple, second Kape Chennigaraya temple, third a stone with a couple standing side by side, and fourth Veeranarayana temple, fifth Soumyanayagi temple, sixth the Andal temple or Ranganayagi shrine. 7. The complex has a number of small shrines. The two main stambhas, pillars, are found in the temple complex. The first pillar facing the main temple, the temple the Garuda or eagle stamba. The Garuda or eagle stamba. The other on the right side is the Deepastamba or pillar with lamp. 8. Then Radha and temples, vehicles, stored place is called Vahana Mandapa. The complex also has a Kalyana Mandapa in the southeast corner for ceremonies. Then 10. A granary for storing food resources. Then 11. A Paka sale or community kitchen. Then 12th is a steeped water tank called Kalyani or Vasudeva Sarovara is found in the northeast corner with 2 stone elephants on its side. The primary mode of employment in Belur region is architecture and tourism. Tourism is the main income of Belur. Many tourists visit the temple to study the sculpture art extra. It is a wonderful work. The main crops grown include paddy, sugarcane, ginger, cardamom, pepper, ginger millet, rice, coffee extra. Nearby tourist sites are Vaisalaisara temple, Halabedu, 16 km from Belur. This is a wonderful stone architecture. Then second, Kesava temple, Swamanatapura. It is about 180 km south from Belur. It is dedicated to Krishna, other forms of God Vishnu. Then third, Sharavana Balagola, Channanarayana Patana. It is about 75 km southeast from Belur. It is a famous Jainism pilgrimage temple. And Annadanam is offered to devotees daily. Here you can see an ocean of art. Jaganajari was the main sculpture. Everyone must visit the temple to see the fantastic, wonderful, magical, beautiful, minute work of stone sculpture. There are thousands of sculptures on the wall of the temple, but every pose of statue is different from another. You can see many elephants in the wall, but the pose of every one elephant is different from another. Every minute carving is done carefully and beautifully. Please visit it. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the video in my YouTube channel and Facebook page Ram's Travel Diary. You can also watch it in WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, etc. Thank you.